Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our channel, guys. How are you all doing today? Guys, today we are about to start fixing our Christmas tree. Yay! It's about to look like Christmas. Just come and say hello. You guys, I'm sorry my voice, I have kata. We have kata. Look at Joshua. Just say hello. Hello. Say hey guys. Oh yeah, come. So we have this we are going to put it on. My Christmas tree, I'm going to be fixing it here. So I'll put it here. So give it to me. This is what I got. We got our Christmas. I got this. You guys, it's our first time of fixing Christmas tree. I have not fixed Christmas tree before. It's my first time. So because of Joshua, after giving birth, you have to start fixing Christmas tree because of Joshua. And yes, I'm so happy to fix first time Christmas tree in my life. Like I've never fixed it before. So today is my first time. And yes, and I got gold. Josh, leave there now. I got golden color. You guys, I love red and gold, so that's why I have to get red and gold. I will get all this. Got our lights, and this is the rest stuff that we'll be using. Yeah, so let's continue. Let me show you guys the Christmas tree that we got. Christmas tree that we got, guys. We don't want the biggest one because I don't want this Christmas tree to occupy a lot of space, so I just need this particular type of Christmas tree. It's very, very good. Yeah, let's take zoom. Yeah, let's go. How are we going to open this one?
Okay, you go call them. Go and get money. I don't open actually. Why did you open it?
Which one?
Where's the tail of that place?
No, not the open.
Not the open. And if I come for work,
I don't know how to put this thing. They say if I put her. Okay.
Help me get first.
No, your help on her.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place.
Joe, look at mommy's face. Jojo. As Deco is not smiling, we are not smiling with Deco. Look at mommy's face. My love. My love.